I'm Patrick Mendenhall with Cumberland International Trucks, located in Nashville, Tennessee. Cumberland is one of 720 dealers in the International Dealer Network, and there are twice as many as our competitors. And I'm proud to present you the LT Series from International Truck, the new on-highway, attractive design to be the most aerodynamic and driver-centric truck on the road. It's uptime here at International, and that means no more excuses. It's time to get to work. First, let's discuss how aerodynamic the International Truck is. The International LT is designed to take on wind in all directions. As you can see, the hood, the windshield, and the air dam are rounded to reduce drag at crosswinds. The LT Series was designed to deliver the lowest possible amount of aerodynamic drag across all conditions by minimizing the wind average drag coefficient. As the LT drives through the air, the hood and the windshield push air to the sides and above the vehicle, nearly double the vehicle speed. The bumper to back of cab, also known as the BBC, was lengthened 3 inches from 122 to 125 inches, which further improves aerodynamics. The new robust LED headlights and polycarbonate fog lights are road tough and long haul proven, delivering industry-leading light pattern and intensity. Also, the LT offers halogen bulbs that are 25% more bright versus the ProStar and are tool-free when needing to replace bulbs. Between the improved lights, the crown hood, and the curved windshield, this improves drivers' ability to see further out and closer to the truck. The new 3-piece composite bumper has no bracing behind it, reducing weight, eliminating corrosion, and increasing space for technicians to serve the engine compartment. The standard Pedestal mirrors offer better aerodynamic, visibility, and reduced frost time. Tool-free lens replacement only takes seconds and reduces the driver's lower neck turn angles by 12%. The redesigned doors are 2 times stiffer and increase door opening angles. The battery access pen allows you to easily do daily battery inspections. And if you need to replace a skirt for any reason, you can do that by removing 4 bolts. To improve aerodynamics, we reduce the ground clearance between the bite-on strip and the ground. This is to reduce airflow from coming out underneath the truck. The 22-inch side extenders reduce tractor-trailer gap to improve aerodynamics. These cab extenders are 4 inches longer than the ProStar. And if you take your attention right here, you'll notice a flare that'll take wind out when it's hit. The International LT is available in single and tandem axle vehicles, 56 and 73-inch high-rise and sky-rise sleepers. Under the hood of an International LT, the customer has 2 options, the CUMMINS X15 and the International A26. The CUMMINS X15 is available in performance and efficiency configurations. X15 Efficiency Series produces up to 500 horsepower with advanced fuel-saving technology that includes dynamic electronic controls with adept features, enhanced engine breathing, and an optimized combustion process that leverages Cummins' proprietary VGT turbo and XPI fuel system. The X15 Performance Series generates up to 565 horsepower by upgrading virtually every critical component for enhanced air handling, faster throttle response, and even stronger braking power than at lower RPM. And as I mentioned before, International offers the A26. You may be wondering what A26 stands for. The A stands for Alpha, and the 26 is shorthand for the 126mm piston diameter. The A26, designed exclusively for International Truck, offers premium performance and an advanced fuel-efficient 12.4-liter design. The A26 produces up to 475 horsepower and 175 foot-pounds of torque from a design with best-in-class dry weight at 2,299 pounds and is 700 pounds lighter than the traditional big bore engine. The A26 delivers up to 5% better fuel economy over the 2017 and 13. Key features include variable geometry turbocharger, where the titanium compressor wheel provides excellent longevity over competitive aluminum compressor wheels. Serviceable electronic actuator increases uptime and reduces service costs. And the VGT improves engine braking up to 67% for increased braking power, particularly at low to mid RPMs and higher altitudes. The redesigned cooling module is sealed to smooth airflow under the hood. The cooling module is lighter and uses less components while using less horsepower to operate efficiently. Oil and oil filters are capable of service up to 70,000 miles and DPF cleaning every 600,000 miles. How's that for service intervals? Also to note, the A26 has the best engine warranty in its class. 2 years, unlimited miles, and the serviceability is second to none. International's A26 has the highest uptime in the market, better fuel economy, and the lightest and the quietest in its class. The A26 is a statement from International. It's a new day.
Let me tell you, International took the liberty to host driver clinics and hundreds of drivers' opinions to create an all-new improved interior tailored to drivers. One of the many changes influenced by the drivers was to reintroduce the air horn lanyard. Also, if you notice on the A pillar, the Bluetooth speakers here, this allows drivers to speak at a typical voice. And also you'll notice right here, the single window pane. This helps visibility for drivers. If you take your attention to the steering wheel and dash switches, you will notice the letters and switches are LED laser etched and backlit. These features benefit drivers at night, and it ensures the information will never wear off. Drivers also suggested moving the most used items closest to them in the driver's seat. The premium cluster has a 5.5-inch LED screen that is customizable. Move the switch to the left and the right, or up or down, to navigate through the screens, and then press the button in to select an item. The screen has dedicated areas on the outside for ambient temperature, gear selection, odometer, safety system, fault codes, and battery voltage. The benefits of a premium gauge cluster is to have all the information in one location. This means more time for eyes on the road. In the center area, you can display vehicle speed, tire pressure monitoring, fuel economy, rear axle load, or other options based on what you have ordered. The base cluster is less complex and has a smaller screen, but still provides more traditional information to the driver. To the right of the steering wheel, you will notice the stock shifter. The stock shifter includes functionality for gear selection, up and down shifting, and engine braking. Simply move the stock shifter 1, 2, or 3 positions down to activate the engine brake setting, or twist to put the truck in drive, neutral, or reverse. Something else I want to mention is the HVAC system. You'll notice more automatic style controls with an additional max defrost button. When max defrost is pushed, the system automatically adjusts to max heat, max blower, and directs airflow to the windows. The new and improved HVAC system is the best in class and will help drivers get on the road faster and safer. The LT series also has a standard USB and auxiliary port with storage above and below to put your cords and phones. This USB port is a 5 amp, which will charge your phone and devices quicker. There are additional ports available. The fuse panel is located on top of the dash on the passenger side. The flat surface detaches for quick access and provides a surface for riding. The fuse panel gutter protects fuses from liquid. The LT features 3 different trim levels: Classic, Diamond, and Black Cherry. The Classic trim level has a dark neutral accents and black gauge bezels. It has a modern appearance, increased storage, and contributes to a roomier cab. The Diamond trim package has amber pearl accents, bright gauge bezels, color accents, chrome door handles, and graphite vinyl door inserts. This has the benefits of the Classic trim level with further interior refinements. The Black Cherry trim package adds the black cherry color accents to door inserts, sleeper, and seats. The International badge on the passenger dash, and padded door topper. This has the benefits of the Diamond trim level with even further interior refinements. Possibly the best part about ordering an International LT is that International has an a la carte approach, which means you get what you need, only what you need, and spend virtually nothing on features you do not use. One other advantage International brings to the table is its full 1-year, 100,000-mile base warranty. Extended warranties are available for additional peace of mind. Now that you've seen everything that the new International LT has to offer, how many can we put in your fleet?